Welcome to Pioneer Career. Today we are going to discuss logarithms. It is one of the most important chapter as far as any aptitude test exam is concerned. In each and every year paper you will find at least one question from logarithm directly or indirectly. This is one of the favorite topic for FMS and IFT exams. In last 3 years FMS has at least 3 questions in each and every year. IFT has at least 1 question. Similarly for ZAT and CAT also. So let us see the definition of logarithm first of all. Definition of logarithm. The log of any number to a given base is the index of the power to which the base must be raised in order to get result equal to the given number. Let us see it by example. We know that 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Here base is 3. So we raised base 3 to the power 4. Then we got the result as 81. Hence, by the definition of log, we can say that log base 3 81 is equal to 4, because we have raised the base 3 to the power 4 to get the result 81. If a to the power x is equal to n, taking log both the side, we have x log a is equal to n log n, or x is equal to log n by log a. From the formula we can write it down equal to log a base n. Hence, if this is the relationship, then we can write down the same relationship in log as x is equal to log a base n. As per the definition of log, log is the power to which a base is raised to get the number. Here x is the log of n to the base a. Log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. In this case base is not given. If base is not given, then we call it as a natural log and we assume that base is 10. But this is true for any base. So log a base m into n is equal to log a base m plus log a base n. Similarly, log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Here in this case also, if base is not given, that is base is 10, but this is true for any base a. Then we have formula log a base x to the power n. This is equal to n log a base x. Then log a base b is equal to log b by log a is also equal to 1 by log b base a. Log a base a is equal to 1, and by the definition of log we can say that a to the power 1 is equal to a. Hence any base to the power same number, log is always 1. Similarly, log of any base a 1 is always equal to 0. By the definition of log we can say a to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Now we will discuss some more property of log. We should remember some result, that is log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Log 3 is equal to 0.4771. Once we know these two results, then we can find out some more results. Like if I ask you what is the value of log 5, we all know that log 10 is equal to 1. We can use this property. Since log 10 is equal to 1, hence we can say log 2 into 5 is equal to 1, or log 2 plus log 5 is equal to 1. We know that log 2 is equal to 0.3010 plus log 5 is equal to 1. or log 5 is equal to 1 minus 0.3010, we can find the result 0.699. Hence log 5 is equal to 0.699. We know that log 10 is equal to 1.0. Now we'll find out some more values of log. Let's start with log 15. Log 15. We know that 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Hence log 15 we can write down as log 3 into 5. Or this is equal to log 3 plus log 5. Log 3 we know the value 0.4771 and log 5 we know the value 0.699. Hence log 15 will be equal to 1.1761. Log 15 is equal to 1.1761. We did not remember all these results, but we should remember at least these two results. Now next, if I ask you to find the log 20, then we all know that 20 is equal to 2 square into 5. So we can write down log 20 as log 2 square into 5 or log 2 square plus log 5 or 2 log 2 plus log 5, or put the value of log 2 and log 5 here. Then what we have, 2 into 0.3010 plus 0.699. Then we'll get the value of log 20 as 1.3010. 1.3010. Similarly, if I ask you the value of log 60, we know that 60 is equal to 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. So we can write down this as log 2 square into plus log 3 plus log 5 or 2 log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5. Now put the value of log 2, log 3 and log 5, then we can find the value of log 60 as 1.7781. Similarly, if I ask you to find the value of log 120, we know that either we can find out by this method and putting the value of 120 as 2 cube into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Or we can do one more thing. We know that 60 into 2 is equal to 120. Hence log 120 will be equal to log 60 plus log 2. We know the result of log 60, we know the result of log 2. Hence we can find the value of log 120, that is equal to 2.0791. Similarly, we can find the value of log 300, that will be equal to 2.4771. On the same method, we can find out some more log. You can practice the same thing. Log 1200 will be equal to 3.0791, while log 3000 will be equal to 3.4771. These are the values of log with the base, natural base or base 10. So log has two values. One is the integral part, another is the fractional part. This integral part is called the characteristic of the log and the fractional part is called the matrix of the log. Now here we can find out some interesting result. If characteristic of the log is 3, then number of digits we have used is 4. If characteristic of the log is 3 here, number of digits we have used is 3 plus 1, 4. Similarly, if characteristic of the log, in this case log 120 and log 300, characteristic of the log is 2, hence number of digits is 1, 2 and 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Characteristic of the log is 2, number of digits used is 3. Characteristic of the log is 1, hence number of digits we have is 1 plus 1, 2. Characteristic of log is 1, that means number of digits must be 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly, characteristic of the log is 0, that means number of digits is 0 plus 1, 1. Using the same concept, if I ask you to find the number of digits in 2 to the power 100, number of digits in 2 to the power 100. So let us suppose n is the number 2 to the power 100 and we need to find out number of digits in n. So what we can do, we can find the value of log n is equal to log 2 to the power 100 is equal to 100 log 2. Put the value of log here, we'll get 100 into 0.3010 will be equal to 30.10. Since characteristic of this log is 30, hence number of digits used must be 31. This is one of the very important type of question that was asked in the aptitude test exams several times.